Moshi is a musical treat. It's a must watch for everyone. We should count our blessings when we have all the organs functioning. In the movie, hearing and speech impairment parents of Manisha Koirala, Nana Patekar, and Seema Biswal, they had a tough time dealing with everyday life. And their daughter, they had two children, and the boy dies when he was almost like 7 or 8 years. It was really tragic. He was just ringing the bell of the church, and he was on top of the terrace, and there he didn't understand that he was actually walking on the parapet, and it was very high. And his sister Manisha Koirala, when she was young, almost like 11 years, she was calling him, and he lost his balance and he died. And the way Nana Patekar has cried, I mean, nothing is more painful than losing a child, and that young. And the way Seema Biswal also, that for the first time Manisha realized that it's her responsibility now to take care of her parents since the boy has also gone. And he is, Raghuveer Yadav has also enacted the role of their friend, especially the kids. And he had a violin which a piano which he actually sold off because of financial constraint, and he was always there with helping hand for the children and the family overall. So Nana Patekar's struggle along with Seema Biswal is the movie revolves around the way they communicate with actions, and it was quite arduous for them to converse through actions. And then Salman Khan comes in her life, and it changes her outlook towards life, and she was still apprehensive about it because she didn't want to part uh, ways with parents. She wanted her full attention, and she knew that once Salman Khan will be there in her life, she will not be able to give undivided attention. So initially she kept on ignoring him, but when she actually shared the story with him, he understood, and he also became a pillar of strength for the parents. So, friends, Helen is an actor, the role of grandmother, but she died quite in the first half of the movie. Only she passes away, but there's a song along with her that's really lovely. The songs are really lovely, and one touching song, emotional song, is the one where Manisha is on the stage and she's trying to get through her parents through her actions because they are deaf. They'll not understand what song she is singing. It's a must watch, and count your blessings. Bottom line is count your blessings, because if your organs are healthy and in good condition, you are the luckiest person on earth. 5 stars.